What's up, my Credit Wealth Capital crew? This is Ronaldo with Credit Wealth Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that we put out on every single Wednesday. Now, today we're going to talk about creating wealth, building those 7 streams of income, and how they can actually benefit you in the long run. Okay, so without further ado, let's get it. Okay, you guys, now, like I said, we're talking about creating wealth. Now, the concept of creating wealth, building 7 streams of incomes, offers numerous benefits for individuals seeking financial security, financial freedom, long-term prosperity. And here are some advantages that you can actually take to get you ahead of the game. Okay, so the first thing is enhancing your financial stability. Okay, by providing multiple streams of income, individuals can reduce their depending on a single income source, such as a job, your W-2, 1099, any type of your main source of income. Okay, having another stream of income can provide you with a greater financial stability. Okay, so and also it can reduce stress, so that way you won't have to depend on this one job. Okay, to get ends meet, you have some flexibility. Okay, also having another string of income can increase your income potential. Okay, because working at a W-2, your dream funder, this only limit, and they probably only give you a raise every 6 months or once a year. So this way you can actually start your own business and give yourself a raise. Okay, make sure that you know your worth and get paid your worth. Okay, now increasing income potential, having a 7 stream of income have multiply annual or generate revenue. Okay, this increased income potential allows individuals to earn more money, accelerate wealth building efforts, and achieve financial goals faster. Okay, and then also flexibility. Okay, diverse income streams offer flexibility to change economic conditions, personal circumstances. If one income source, actually you lose your job. So if you only have one income source and you wind up losing your job, you have other streams of income that will help you get to where you need to be. So it will not hurt you financially by losing that job. Okay, you can always find another one. That's what I would say. If you found that one, there's always another out there. Okay, now, opportunity for passive income. Some of the income streams can be designed to generate passive income, and passive income requires less active involvement and can provide financial freedom, allowing individuals like ourselves, allowing people like us, okay, to make more money. So, and that you can actually enjoy more time with your family. Okay, and you can actually pursue another job in the long run. Okay, so that way, once you build a business, I always say, build a business, know that business inside and out. Put a VA or somebody that you trust over that company, and let them work the business while you go and create another stream of income. A business should never tie you down. Okay, unless you're actually building that business up. Once that business is built, put somebody in control of it and start the next one. Okay, because this is the only way that you can actually build financial freedom. And don't you just do it. Okay, make sure your kids know how to do this, because we don't want them to struggle like we do. We don't want them to live the paycheck to paycheck. We want them to live like kings and queens like we do. Okay, so let's start getting these businesses and living like we should. Okay, freedom and independence. Building 7 streams of income can provide financial independence and freedom from the stress of having a W-2. It allows individuals to create a lifestyle of your own choice and pursue personal interests and explore new ventures without being tied down to a job and asking for time off when you can just go when you want. Okay. Now, those are a few things that you can actually, the benefits of actually having a seven stream of income. Okay. Now, you can actually get on my last video, I will post here, that you can actually let you know about what types of jobs that you can actually start right now with less than $1,000 or little to no money at all. So click up here, you watch that video, and let me know what you think. Okay, so my name is Renata. This is Credit Wealth Capital. Be you, be true, and let's keep moving forward. And I'll see you on the next one. And don't forget to check out our Facebook page as well as our podcast. Yeah, God bless.